I'm Brandon with Disaster Pros. We're going to do a little demonstration today, show a few different ways we can extract some water. What we're going to do is just dump this 5-gallon bucket in our little test area, making sure we get everything good and saturated. Alright, we had about 4 gallons of water, which is typical in a square yard of carpet like we have here. The carpet and pad can hold about 2 gallons of water. So we fit 4 gallons in, which means we have to extract water that's just sitting, and if you can't see it very well, but it's just making the carpet and pad float. So we've got to get the carpet out, or the water out of the carpet, the pad, and also the water from underneath that's pushing the carpet up. What we're going to do first is we're going to demonstrate how a shop vac can extract the water. Okay, first we'll demonstrate a shop vac. Got a 4-gallon shop vac right here. Okay, so I've gone over the carpet and pad with the shop vac a couple times. I'm just going to demonstrate how much water is left behind. Got a lot of the water out of the carpet. Still pretty good and wet, but we're not dripping any. And then the pad itself is extremely wet. Didn't pull much at all out of the pad. And as you can see in our basin as well, we've got quite a bit of water down below. So now we'll get everything put back together, get another 4 gallons, and we'll show you how we can extract with the carpet wand. Okay, so we filled up our basin again with another 4 gallons of water. We're going to demonstrate how we extract with our carpet tool. We're going to use our truck mounted system. It's got 400 CFMs of lift. Does a good job extracting. Normally, we'd use our carpet wand, but for this demonstration, we'll use our stair tool. It'll do the same amount of extraction. Alright, so I went over that a couple times, and if you can see, it did a pretty good job extracting it out of the carpet. So now we'll do the same thing. Lift it off and just see how much water's left. Okay. So it did a real good job extracting out of the carpet. The pad itself, again, is still very, very wet. Got very little out of the pad itself. And as you can see, there's still a little bit of water down in the basin. Not quite as much as the shop vac, but still more than we can dry with. Next, we'll start it again, and we'll demonstrate the water claw, show you how it can extract the water. With this tool, we're able to step on it, we're able to compress the carpet and pad, so we're able to extract a lot more moisture out of the carpet and padding. As you can see through the top, it's pulling a lot of moisture out from the bottom and getting pulled down our hose. We like to stand on it for a count of 7 to 10. Make sure we're pulling out enough moisture. With this extraction system, we're not able to pull all the water out of the carpet and the pad, but we are able to make it so that you cannot squeeze any more water out of the pad, making it ready to be dried in place with air movement and dehumidification. And as we go over it the second time, still pulling a little bit of water out, but nowhere near as much as it did the first time. A couple more areas and then we'll pull it up and see how we did. So with the water claw, we're able to pull all the moisture out of the carpet so that it's pretty good and dry, not going to drip any water. And then also with the pad, we got it dry enough that as I try to squeeze it out, I can't squeeze any more water out. It's still wet, it's damp to the touch, but very, very dryable. And as you see down in our basin, it was able to pull all of the moisture out of the bottom of the basin as well. So the shop vac does an okay job for a homeowner. It is only good on a hard surface, whether it's tile or concrete. Its limitations are you've only got, whether you've got a 2-gallon vac or a 6-gallon vac, a lot of times you end up spending more time dumping the shop vac than you do extracting. With our wand, we've got a 100-gallon waste tank that we're able to extract into with an automatic pump out, so we can continue extracting all the time. Again, it's only good on hard surfaces or glue down carpet, but it's just not a good tool for extracting with carpet and pad. But when you use the water claw along with the truck mounted system, we're able to dry things, get things extracted so that they can be dried in place. If you have any questions, go to our website, www.disasterprosutah.com.